Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change password on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to Profile. Here you can see a settings icon. You have to press on this. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Account Center. Here you can see Password and Security. Go for it. Now you can see here Change Password. Please press on it. Select your Instagram account. Here you have to give your current password. Then you have to give a new password and you have to retype your new password. After putting all of these things, you have to press here Change Password. So this is how your password will be changed. So this is how to change password on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.